What is up, you gorgeous people? I am currently considering a Vechain short-term swing trade, day trade, or scalp. I'm not too sure quite yet. I want to see how Vechain plays out. So I want to take a moment to talk about this trade where I see Vechain going in the near future. And at the end of the video, I want to talk about GSX, gold-backed cryptocurrency. So if you're interested in the idea of gold-backed cryptocurrency, stick around to the end of the video. I'll delve into that. And I'd like to ask if you could please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. And if you could hit the like button, guys, I really appreciate it because it really helps out with the algorithm. If you want to hear more about cryptocurrency news, technical analysis all throughout this next bull run, subscribe because we're gonna be pumping out lots of important content as this bull run really gets started. So, guys, let's delve into Vechain. So, I kind of want to begin by talking about the macro situation, macro pattern. So, Vechain is in a macro downtrend, but in the short term here, we are forming two ascending triangles. Okay, so this is a very macro ascending triangle. This one, I believe, is the most relevant in terms of near-term price action. This one here. So that's kind of the macro situation. Now let's zoom in a bit more. Right. Okay. So in the near term, I think our most relevant pattern is this ascending triangle here. So some of the options here is if we could break above bullishly and retest this level right here, or at least around this range, or if we break down beneath this red line here, we're likely to retest this green line here. So if we break above these wicks right here, I'm looking at a long. If we break below this red line, I'm looking at a short. Now let's zoom in even more. We can even talk about this more in detail and really hash this out some more. So, I think perhaps the top of this triangle could really be considered here. If we break above this area, that's when I'd feel confident to enter a long, and then I'd look to exit somewhere around these ranges here. Roughly 5% ROI. Yeah, 3 to 5, roughly. Now, on the 5-minute, we look to be somewhat bullish because we're above our EMAs. But on the hourly is when we really start to see bullish divergence here. So, let's look at this. So, on the hourly, we're above our 200, and we're currently up against the 150 on the hourly. So, for me to really consider this bullish, for me to really consider this a bullish breakout, we have to go above this wick here and hold above our EMAs. What tips me off to this bullish divergence, the idea that I think it's probable we could go up, is we had a bullish crossover on our MACD on the hourly, and the RSI is having bullish divergence, making higher highs. So that's the first tip off that we could be going up here to retest these levels here. But ultimately, I want to see confirmation. What I consider to be confirmation is going above this wick and staying above our EMAs. Similar case with the half hour. Now, if we drop below this red line, I consider short. So that's basically what I see with Vechain, guys. I'm going to try to make these videos more concise. That's what I'm looking at here for the moment. We're going to enter an apex here in the next few hours. So, yeah, guys, that's what I'm looking out for here in regards to, this short-term trade with Vechain. So, before I wrap up this video, I want to take the opportunity to talk about GSX. GSX is a brand new cryptocurrency. It hasn't even been released to the exchanges yet. It's made by Apollo Fintech. And the whole idea of this is that it's gold-backed cryptocurrency. Give me one moment, guys. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm back. So, there's a few interesting things about this. I'm going to leave a link down to their white paper, their website, also a link to a video where I really delve into the pros and cons. So if you want to hear about what I think about the pros and cons, check out that link. They currently offer a 35% sign-up bonus, and they're working on a Binance listing. And I mention all this because there's a 5% sign-up bonus down in the description. And if you like this idea of gold-backed cryptocurrency and you want to participate, check out that link. If you decide you want to participate and you use that link, you'll get a 5% sign-up bonus, and I get a commission. So I want to make that very clear. Another thing as well is I've been thinking about putting I've starting to put down in the description a link to to an address. So um, so so just to start over, to be clear, you know, if you guys want to support the channel, if you guys like what we do here on the channel, pumping out this cryptocurrency news, and if you want to support us, I'm gonna leave down in the description a link to addresses if you want to donate any cryptocurrency. You know, this is just if you want to support the channel, guys. You know, please, you know, only if you're well off, guys. You know, don't, please, you know, I don't want to be I don't want to receive anything from anyone if, you know, if you're in a bad spot. But if anyone is well off and just, you know, likes what we do on the channel, wants to support us, you know, you can consider donating either Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP to us and to me. And you know, I really appreciate if you do. It helps me, you know, focus more on the channel. So that's just another thing I'm going to be doing from now on as well. I'm going to leave in the description the address if you want to donate to the channel, guys. And yeah, that's it. Please only do so if you're well off. I don't, you know, focus on accumulating your own bags, guys, for this next bull run. And you know, in doing this channel, I hope we can bring you guys value. And this is just a way, if you have any extra, you know, if you're well off and you want to support the channel in that way, by donating to us directly, I appreciate the hell out of you. That's just an option, guys. You know, that's, you know, it's just out there. I'm putting that out there. And, you know, if you're well off and you want to support the channel, you know, there's that option. So I appreciate the hell out of everyone who supports the channel, who likes us. And if you can spare something and you decide you want to, you know, donate to me, then I appreciate the hell out of you. And that's just going to be an option there going on in the future. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. All right, y'all. Take care.